Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Midea portable air conditioner making loud noise, fan, motor and internal vibration repair. Fix 1 is make sure the AC is on a flat surface. Turn off the air conditioner and unplug it, then check that the unit is sitting on a flat, solid floor. If it rocks or wobbles, move it to a level surface, then turn it back on and check if the noise is gone. Second one is clean the air filter. Turn off and unplug the unit, then remove the air filter from the back of the AC. Wash it with warm water and let it dry completely. Reinstall the filter and restart the air conditioner. Third one is check for loose screws or panel. Unplug the air conditioner, inspect the outer panel and screws, then tighten any loose screw with a screwdriver. Then turn the unit back on and listen to any rattling sound. Fourth one is inspect the fan for debris. Unplug the unit, then remove the cover if needed. And following the user manual, check the fan blades for dust or any objects inside. Remove the debris carefully and reassemble the unit. Thanks for watching.